No matter what type of impeller a centrifugal pump uses, the liquid being pumped gains pressure as it slows down to fill out the increasing volume of the volute. Radial thrust is a type of thrust that tends to move a pump shaft perpendicular to its axis. In a pump with a volute, the thrust is created by the difference in pressure across the volute. Now, some centrifugal pumps are equipped with a component that accomplishes the same speed-to-pressure conversion as a volute, but minimizes radial thrust. It's called a diffuser. A diffuser consists of a series of stationary vanes that surround the impeller. When we look at the vanes closely, we can see that the distance between the outer tips of the vanes is greater than the distance between the inner tips. As a result, the vanes create a series of small volutes all around the impeller. This arrangement of vanes balances the radial thrust around the impeller.